So this is the RBC, red blood cell. If you look up here, that's the normal. Oh, not working today. If you look at the second one down to the left, that's the normal RBC. That's how I should be looking. So the reason I was asking you, as far as do you have any, indigestion or bowel movement problems, is because a little bit of overlapping here. Now, that can also be from muscle tightness. Okay, I don't know, are you noticing any stiff muscles or tight muscles currently?
Yeah.
You are?
Well, I mean, after a certain workout I did yesterday,
okay,
worked different body parts and things like that.
So here I'm seeing a bacteria. Okay, you see that?
Yeah.
A little bit different than the white ones in the background, which is your sugars. That's your breakfast or cheese that you have for breakfast. Okay,
right.
But that is a small one. Now, if your immune system is on the top, up here, a lot of times you can override these guys. So I would recommend you make sure you take a lot of vitamin D, vitamin C, echinacea, all that good stuff to keep your immune system up.
So that little guy that you just saw,
There's another one.
What does that mean?
That's a bacteria. See, legally, I cannot diagnose or anything like that. Okay? That's a bacteria from a spider, a tick, or a mosquito. That's all I can say. Okay? Does that make sense? That's all we can say. We're not allowed to. If you look here, there's a bigger one. You see him?
This guy?
Yep. There's another one right behind him.
What?
So, there is your bacteria.
Come on.
And like I said, legally, I cannot tell you.
What is where there's something inside the red blood
Good
cell?
Good question. So that's mineral deficiency. That's a target cell.
Okay.
So a lot of times, if I see a lot of them, I'll ask, do you get muscle cramps?
Okay.
Or anything like that.
Sure.
You do get muscle cramps or anything like that?
No.
Not really. Yeah, so if you look up here, this is a small one. This is a little bit bigger one here.
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you work out?
Yeah.
You get sore or tender after you work out?
Yeah.
That's what these guys do.
What guys?
When I'm showing you the bacteria.
What do they do?
They attack the weakest parts of the body, which is normally your muscles, tendons, and joints. Yeah. Soreness, stiffness, achiness.
You have some really squiggly cell walls too.
You don't get any muscle cramps, do you?
No.
Okay. If you're just on the borderline, you see the target cells in the middle? That's mineral deficiency. A lot of times, if I see a lot of them, like I said, normally it's magnesium deficiency, calcium magnesium. Yep. This is a white blood cell. D3, that's your immune system. Keeping your immune system, keeping you healthy. It's amazing how God created us. These are cell damages from the bacteria, okay?
Yeah.
The reason I was asking, as far as Nathan, if you have, bloating, burping, or gassy, you see the rigid cells?
Yeah.
Rigid a little bit. If you look at the second one down, poor digestion cells kind of look the same way. That's what I was asking.
What's that?
A little bit of fat. A little bit of fat. Here's another one.
Oh, that one's really long.
Cell damage.
This guy?
Yep.
Yep.
Sometimes I'll actually find them latched onto a cell.
Crazy.
Yeah.
So if there's
There's
cell
one more.
damage,
Yeah, if there's cell
There's
damage, it's very
likely-
active.
okay.
Absolutely.
Okay.
I wouldn't even think twice. I'd
Okay.
be
So like